Welcome to episode 13 of the Advanced Manifestation Protocol. Today, we are stepping into a profound, sacred space. If your 3D reality feels heavy, or if you feel blocked by the illusion of lack, it is because your mental body is clouded with limiting beliefs. Today, we will use the BodyMaitre Angelic Hologram to completely clear your sky and merge your avatar with your infinite self. Please find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Let's begin the clearing. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and allow your physical avatar to settle into the space around you. Bring your full attention to your breath. Take a deep, slow breath in, feeling the cool, fresh air enter your lungs, expanding your chest. And exhale completely, releasing all 3D tension, all stress, and all heaviness from your day. Inhale deeply again, drawing in pure life force. Exhale, letting go of the outside world. There is nowhere else you need to be. We will now command the physical body to completely relax, preparing it to receive higher frequencies. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and let your scalp soften. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your chin. Let your jaw drop slightly. Feel this warm, heavy relaxation flow down your neck and melt into your shoulders. Let it cascade down your arms, through your elbows, all the way down into your hands and fingertips. Relax your chest, opening your heart center. Relax your abdomen, allowing your breath to become even deeper and more natural. Let the soothing energy flow down your back, releasing every muscle along your spine. Relax your hips. Relax your thighs and your knees. Let the relaxation pour down your calves, into your ankles, and finally out through the soles of your feet. Your entire physical avatar is now perfectly at rest. Now imagine your current state of consciousness being drawn up into the angelic hologram. This is your sacred, multi-dimensional space. You are completely enveloped in divine light, actively protected by your collective angelic team and your high self. You are entirely safe here. Within this sacred space, look at your mind. Visualize your consciousness as an infinite, vast, empty sky. But as you look closer, you notice clouds drifting across this sky. These clouds are your limiting beliefs. Allow these heavy thoughts to surface now. Just watch them as the pure observer. Do not get trapped in them. Simply acknowledge them as clouds. See the cloud that says, "I can't do this." See the cloud that whispers, "It's too hard." Watch the cloud that says, "I don't have enough resources," or "I don't have money." Acknowledge the cloud that tells you, "I'm just an ordinary person." These are not who you are. They are just passing weather in the vast sky of your mind. It is time to clear the sky. Focus on these individual clouds of limitation floating in your consciousness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine blowing a powerful, purifying wind directly at these clouds. Watch them break apart and scatter. With every inhale, breathe in the pure essence of the clear, boundless sky. With every exhale, blow away the illusions of lack, fear, and limitation. Blow away, I can't. Blow away, it's too hard. Blow away, I don't have enough. Continue to breathe and blow these clouds further and further away until they completely disappear into the boundless horizon. Your mental body is now brilliantly clear, bright, and perfectly open. Visualize the sky of your consciousness now completely clear. It is boundless. It is infinite. Feel the profound vastness and absolute freedom in your chest. Imagine yourself standing at a very high, magnificent vantage point. You are looking out over an infinite, glowing landscape. In every single direction you look, the horizon is filled with golden opportunities and limitless timelines. From this high vantage point, silently or softly repeat these affirmations with absolute certainty. Let them echo across your infinite sky. Repeat after me. I am willing to embrace infinite possibilities. I am willing to embrace infinite possibilities. I am willing to embrace infinite possibilities. Now repeat. I am willing to let go of limitations of life and embrace infinite possibilities and potentials. I am willing to let go of limitations of life and embrace infinite possibilities and potentials. I am willing to let go of limitations of life and embrace infinite possibilities and potentials. Feel the 3D matrix unlocking around you. The borders have vanished. Now, visualize your true essence. You are not just the avatar, you are the entire universe. Visualize your infinite self standing before you, a towering, radiant being made of starlight, completely full of absolute confidence, boundless courage, and eternal wisdom. Imagine this infinite self manifesting limitless potential, effortlessly creating an infinitely beautiful, abundant future in your life. Now, step forward. Feel this magnificent infinite self stepping into your physical body, completely merging into one with your present self. You are one and the same. The power of the universe is now seated inside your chest. Take a moment to express deep gratitude to this infinite self and express gratitude to your present self for being courageous enough to expand your horizons today. It is time to bring this infinite power back into your physical reality. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Slowly become aware of the room around you. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Softly turn your head from side to side, slowly waking up your physical body. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. You have successfully cleared the clouds. Bring this expanded horizon and this infinite possibility into every single action you take today. The limitations were only ever an illusion. I'm Darreck. Keep your sky clear.